Hello everyone, this is a demo of configuration honeypots. Now we're going to start with installation of the honeyD. First we check if honeyD is installed. However, here we found out that it's not installed, and then we're gonna have to check to the http.github, and then just let's copy paste this link with the git clone, and then press enter, and then it will cloning into the root honeyD directory. And then after this we will check get into the honeyD directory using the cd command, press enter, and after this we can check the ls. So you can see that a lot of packets have been installed, like the autogen and configuration files. A lot of them has been created, and then after this we're going to use the sudo using this all link command. Just find out as a link, copy paste all this sudo apt-get. Oh, I think some problems with this one. Sudo should be small letter. Okay, sudo. Oh, and also here tc. Okay, just cp ibpcap development. Okay, that's right. Everything is fine. So we put enter then. So we are installing the needed packages. Let's try yes. All of the packets have been like unpacked, and then we're gonna use the autogen sh. Again now. Here we go, the autogen.sh. We use it by clicking dot slash and the autogen configure.sh. I'm gonna get a little bit, and after this we are going to configure it by using the command dot slash configure. It's gonna take a few minutes. It's not gonna take a lot of more time. And after this we need to use the command make, and then we'll continue to the sudo installation at last. We're gonna maximize it a little bit to save the all on it. Okay, bring it back. So we need to click the sudo make install to finish out everything that we have installed the package. So sudo make install, click enter, and now we are done. So we just need to make sure that honeyD is installed in our system. So we just need to clear, and we try it with the honeyD dot -v, which shows as the version. So we can see that now it is running on the system with this version 161d 1.60. Okay, now we are going to configure the honeypots, which are manually. So we got to leave path, and we will create the file as honeyD.configuration conf. So we find it opened, and what we're gonna do now is I've just previously written this configuration codes, so we just need to copy them and just paste to the configuration file that we just created. Paste them, but what we got to make sure is that the Ethernet card and its number, the MAC address should be like similar. We just config, and then we check it that it's Ethernet 1, which is the internet connected. So we can save this file and just turn this one off. We can turn it off, and after this we are going to use the honeyD command in order to run the configuration file. So honeyD -d -f, and the file that we already created, honeyD.conf. We can click right, and it's running. So it's ready on the port 172.19.66. Here we have Okay, now we are going to go to the attacker side. Here is the website we need to download. So copy the clone file. This is the attacker. Okay, so in terminal we write git clone and the link for downloading the paint menu in order to attack the honeypot. But before doing this, we got to make the nmap and other things to find out which ports are open. So here 100% is downloaded, and after this, okay, let's check the ls. Paint menu is here, and what we're gonna do once is just move to the directory and then give the permission of execution u plus x in paint menu. And after this, we just have to run the paint menu because now it became executable, so we can run it. And after this, we get this interface, this phase, which is the paint menu. We got 5 options in here. So what we want is the DOS attack. So choose 2, enter, and then we need the TCMP sync flood. We can choose also slow race and other things. We need now 3. So then we gotta give the target enter. So this is the IP that created preview before with the HTTP. So it's 172.18.66.30. Okay, and then after this, the ports I need 139. That's fine now. That's the port that I want to attack or flat. And here you can choose random or interface IP. Now I enter interface IP. Yes, we need synchronized packages, and the number of packages is 3000 by default. You can do any number. I am doing 300, so it's already starting the pinging, or it's flooding. So we gotta go to the honeypot and check out what's going on there. So here is our honeypot, and we already did the attack. Okay, now we gotta go. We got the receiving fragments from the attacker, and we can see what's going on now. So this honeypot is just finding out all of the packets, and how now we can see that it is expiring all of the TCP connections. The reason why it's just dropping them is because honeypots are not meant to be accessed by any user. So anything that's done on honeypots is considered as a malicious activity or something like that, attack. So here the honeypot detected everything, and then it's safe. I mean, it's not going to be like cracked since it's not a real machine. It's virtual machine. So this is how we can configure HoneyD.
HoneyDrive is a virtual appliance with X Ubuntu Desktop 12.04 edition installed. It contains over 10 pre-installed and pre-configured honeypot software packages, such as the Kipo SSH honeypot, Dania, HoneyD low interaction honeypot, Glasstop F web honeypot, and WordPot. However, for this project we will only be using Kipo SSH honeypot and HoneyD low interaction honeypot. Okay, before you do anything about Kipo or HoneyD, it's important that you open the readme file and figure out where all the Kipo or HoneyD files reside on your hard drive machine. So to start Kipo, traverse to HoneyDrive, then Kipo directory, then use the ls command to list all the files contained in the directory. We can see the directory here. Then run the start.sh file. you will now be running Kipo SSH honeypot. Before checking the visualization feature, we need to generate some SSH traffic to the honeypot. I followed some steps to generate the traffic to that mission. You can follow your own preferences, but first we need to get the IP address of the honey drive from another virtual machine running backtrack Kali Linux. I used the first the ping command to ping the packets to the honey drive machine. Then I used the nmap command with the IP address of the honey drive virtual machine. So it will ask me for passwords some multiple times, and I'll put different passwords. And now it's asking me for the honey drive user password. Okay, so as you can see, it is telling me that the permission is denied. Once we finish generating the SSH traffic from the attacking machine, we need to go back to the honey drive machine and run or navigate to the localhost Kipographs website. So as you can see, these graphs display statistics on passwords, usernames, inputs, IP address, connections, and much more details. You're now almost ready to work with Kipographs on your own.